If you want to delete your Afterpay account permanently, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Afterpay website or app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Find the account deletion option. Look for an option related to account management or deletion. This may be labeled close account, delete account, or something similar. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Click on the account deletion option and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the prompt, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Check your email for any final confirmation or instructions. Once you have completed these steps, your Afterpay account will be permanently deleted. If you have any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Afterpay customer support for assistance.